No more stressing over the low battery symbol. This car phone charger with 5 4A/30W ports charges iPhone and Android compatible devices up to 4x faster. Our car USB charger has 2 ports with a simultaneous output current of 2 4A per port. That means there's always room for you and your co-pilot. Designed with smart IC intelligent technology, this durable and compact fast car charger automatically identifies your device to provide a quick charge. The USB car adapter has a built-in, multi-protection system to help with issues associated with overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating. Forget the times of having a slow car charger. Fast charge any compatible smartphone, tablet, or other USB device with our car chargers. You can purchase the product through the link attached to the description.